What's up, guys? JACCO.JOYS here, back, with YouTube. Barely do it. But at the gun range today, I'm gonna try out my shotgun, my Radical P3 pump action shotgun. I'm also gonna be firing my 10.5-inch AR pistol, and also my wife's Easy Slide M&P Shield 2.0. I know I just sort of remixed the name, but yeah, I'll be trying that out too. Also have this little Garrison MC Regard. It's supposed to be a Beretta 92 FS clone, so I'm going to see how that runs with these new magazines, and we'll see how it runs. I'll see you inside. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be shooting today, 10.5-inch M&P Garrison Radical. Some extra little ammo on the side. Take it. Alright, so I'm going to start it off with my AR pistol, 10.5-inch. Using some old cheap little steel cased. Gonna see how it runs in a minute. Alright, that was pretty nice. Oh, AR-15 pistol, love it. Love it, cheap shit. This right here is my wife's gun. She told me to, put it through some paces at the range today. I'm gonna go ahead and try. On to my personal favorite, Garrison. It's a Beretta 92. I want to say FS, but I'm wrong. But I'm gonna try out some new magazines I bought for it. Got a 17 and a 15 round. Start off with the 15 round. See how it goes. Did not lock back. I don't think that's a plus, personally. I'm gonna try my 17 round. Did not come with it, so hopefully it works good. Did not lock back either. It's two magazines. It did not lock back. I don't really like that much. But I'm covered in metal shavings. I don't think that's a good thing. What the fuck is that? I mean, the heck is that? I don't know. On to the next. Last but not least, this Radical P3 tactical pump action shotgun. Haven't fired a shotgun in a while. Hope it doesn't blow up. I haven't had the best reviews with this. Okay, it works. Fuck. Well, that's that. Now to try some, get some 11-aught buck out the shotgun. Wow. That got stuck. Okay, so the plastic shells get stuck. Yeah. No bueno. No bueno. You don't like it. Well, I guess that's what I'll be shooting today. I'll just be shooting the shit until my time is up. Thank you for stopping.